Go!
So we're still in Snow Canyon State Park. Decided to stop at the sand dunes out here. It's really cool. And then we're also going to make another pit stop at Jenny's Canyon. We'll add that to the video also. We're at Jenny's Canyon. It's really windy. We're going to go just check out this trail real quick. It's only half a mile. So this like canyon just ends right behind me. So the other ones we've been through, you make it through. This one is just a short little hike in and it closes. So I think we're gonna get out of here because there was like dead squirrels and stuff. And there was this really...
A wing just fell from the ceiling up here.
A wing just fell from up there. I think there's like maybe a cat or like a big bird, I don't know, but it was making a really crazy noise. I don't know if y'all, oh my God, something just fell on my face. I don't know if y'all could hear it in that other video. I thought that it was wind. It was not the wind. It was definitely something growling. We're in its territory.
Yeah.
So it's not doing it anymore. And it's been really windy. So that was definitely some kind of, I'm guessing, a big cat. I don't know if it's a bobcat or if there's mountain lions here. I'm not real sure. I'm gonna have to look it up. But that was crazy. So this is Jenny's overlook. We just hiked up just a small amount to the, well, the right of the canyon if you're looking at the canyon. And then the canyon is over there.
You see the sand dunes over there.
You can see the sand dunes and the mountains out there. And the parking lot's just right down there.